Hello friends, we are installing Drupal 8.7.5 with English as a default language. So today we are installing Food Magazine default profile. Just configure database details. For configuring remote server details, just configure here in our advanced options. It is installing around 51 models. So in this profile it is coming with multi-language support. After installing this module, it is look like this profile. So this is very beautiful profile and it is coming with some sample data. It is also having multi-language supported, and you can also check the different layout for the same website. So for providing demonstration to our client, it will be very helpful within just clicking this button and you are able to install this beautiful profile. Thanks for watching video.